Alright, my ladies, I told y'all that I would upload a nail video at 5 o'clock today. I did do the video. I did the nail haul, but it wasn't presentable, y'all. I still had on my pajamas. Like, not that that really mattered, but my hair was all over the place, and it could have been better. So instead of me just putting out, lazy content, I decided to remake the whole video. And mind you, I want you guys to know that I am a beginner nail tech too, so I do not know it all. So make sure you watch other videos that I list inside this video too. So yeah, I hope that I was a great help, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So make sure you guys comment and any questions, and make sure you guys subscribe.
Bitch, I got it out the muscle. You wanna fight on tussle? I'm talking about I see the pussy boy ain't learned his lesson. Ain't no location, but I'm gonna dress it. Cause how I feel, it's time to go to stepping.
Alrighty, y'all. Hey, my KJ babes. I am back today with another video on nails. Basically, this is my nail journey. I'm gonna talk a little bit about it. I'm gonna also share some good information, some advice, and some tips for all my ladies who wants to do nails. And a few males, I saw a few males comment under the post that I had made for this nail video. So I'm ready to start. This is my second time recording this video. This will be my last time recording this video as well. Alright, I might have to speed things up because I'm a little bit out of space. You about to get right into this video with these nail haul supplies. And y'all, if you have any questions, anything you want to know, just comment down below. I will help you with any and everything, literally, unless you need some money. Then we got a problem. The first thing I want to start off with is the nail tips. EC basket. I don't know if that's exactly what you say. So yes, these nail tips are very good. They were $9.99, but then the price went up. I think they're like $15 now, but it should go back down, hopefully. I hope it does. But yeah, so that's the first thing that you want, some nail tips. The second thing, you need a dapping dish. That's what it's called. Yep. So it's like a little dish like this. This goes with, this goes with the monomer. So these two are like, brothers and sisters. Okay. So you can actually get this from your local beauty supply store. So you necessarily don't even have to order it. Some of these things you can get. I got this from my beauty supply store that's by me. So you can get this from there. But they also have other monomers. There's this website, Valentino Beauty Pure. You can get your monomer from Mia Secret. Mia Secret has amazing monomer. And then there's this other website, it's called JC Beauty Concept. Next, you want your nail brushes. So I have two nail brushes. This one, beauty supply store, Tammy Taylor. I ordered this one from Amazon, and I'll put the link up here. It's Panna. Yeah, and it is a size 8. It works very good. The only thing is, this brush is too thick for me. When you put it into the monomer, it's like it soaks up way much more monomer than it would with this brush. So I prefer this one. Next, after all of that, you are going to need, of course, some acrylic. So I would recommend you guys start off with this acrylic. This is from Mia Secret, and it is the Fruity Nail Art Powder. And literally you have like every little color. And I forgot how much this costs, but I will insert it in the video somewhere. But yes, you want to make sure that you get, I also have Valentino brand, but this is like a more expensive acrylic. Yeah, I have a cotton candy one. Okay, so Mia Secret, this is from Valentino. I really love Valentino. Valentino is like an amazing company. I love them. Their customer service is amazing. The man responded to me when I had an issue. Something was going wrong with my referral code, but he told me everything that was, going on. He responded instantly. As soon as I emailed them, boom, they respond. As soon as I DM'd them, he responded. So yeah, you got Valentino, and then the Mia Secret. But whatever one may works for you. Nail prep, and then the extra bind. I got these two from Me a Secret as well. This is what you need to, you know, dehydrate the nails after you're done, you know, gluing the nails and you didn't drill them. Before you apply your acrylic on, you want to prime. You want to prime twice. When we telling you you didn't need it, you didn't. Next, you really want a nail drill. This is the nail drill that I first started off with. Look at it, it's all like kind of beat up now and messed up. So I had this drill for like what, 2 years, 3 years. It has a shortage now, but I looked in the reviews and everyone's saying like after a long time you're gonna see a shortage in it. So that's why this has a shortage. This is a good investment. I think this is like $15. I'm not sure. All the prices, they really keep changing, so I couldn't even really like give you guys a for sure price, but that's going to be in the description box and even right here, just scrolling somewhere. As you get a little bit better, I'm going to show you another nail drill. This is Melody Susie, and their boxing is amazing. So this is what you hold the drill in. The drill is right here, but it's real cute. This one, if you guys wanted to know, is $60, but I got a coupon code for y'all. It's not mine though, but I will put it in the description box if you guys want it. And I think it came down to like 50 something once I used it. Next, you want some nail files. This was, it was 3 in a pack for like $4 or $5. These are very good. I actually had shaped my nail up earlier this morning. Also, the buffers, you really need these. Next, what you want to get is nail glue. Now this glue is called KDS. Maybe I can see it, but yeah, this is KDS nail glue. This is good nail glue. It actually works very good. I'll put another glue down below. It's like in a purple bottle, and you can get it from Amazon. You can get this from Amazon as well. Everything that I put in this video is Amazon. You need this, a nail tip cutter. This is, you know, when you go to the nail salon, they apply the nail tips and then they cut it down to whatever size it is that you like. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need this. You want some nail clippers. Now, I wouldn't recommend getting these like with a little curve. I would recommend you get the straight edge. I don't even know what you call it. Some of y'all might want some regular nail polish. This comes in handy for if you have clients who are like kids. You should also get gel polish like shellac, because that's all people wear now too, and I don't have any of that, so I'm going to start ordering those little polishes because I don't have any. And that came from, I forgot what it's called, but I'm gonna put it in the description box. You want to order a wax pen for your rhinestones. This is what you pick your rhinestones up with, and you also want to order some rhinestones. I don't have any right now. They're on the way. As well as with the rhinestones, you want to order some glue. This is Gorilla Glue, y'all. You need some cuticle oil. As soon as you get done doing the nails, you want to, you know, put the cuticle oil around the client's nail. I recommend you guys get the mannequin hand, the one where it pops off, instead of using the mannequin hand that doesn't come with that. You would struggle popping the nails off, and then eventually it'll eat up your mannequin hand. Y'all, I know, because people who are in my cosmetology school, y'all know about the mannequin hands. Them mannequin hands are beat up, y'all. Non-wipe gel top coat. This is what makes that nail, like what makes your nail shiny. I got this from Valentino. You can order this from Amazon. I'm gonna put a coupon code in the description below. When you use this, it goes with this. This is the UV light that you need. I would say order this one. It was cheap. It was a nice little price. It cures real fast. And I've seen other nail techs use it too. You can go like read reviews on this if you want to. I recommend you do more research. You want a cuticle pusher, like you can push this back. This is for the cuticles too. Ooh. This is broke actually. I had to order me another one. Gloves and a disinfectant spray. You want to keep that just for sanitation purposes. Okay, brush cleaner. You might want to purchase or invest in some brush cleaner. I know a lady who uses acetone. She let her brush sit in the acetone for about 10 seconds. Then she takes it out and like stand it up and let it air dry. So yes, but yes, y'all. So that sums up all of the materials you need. moving forward, it's time for me to take a seat. All right, so a little bit of advice that I would give you all. Well, one, I would say do your research, because you know, you can't rely on my words. These are just things that help me. I only have a little bit of experience compared to somebody who's been doing them for, you know, years. You might want to get some advice from them. Research everything. Research these supplies. Look at the reviews. Two, this should have been first. I really want y'all to believe in yourself. Like, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. If you really, really, really want to do nails and you have a passion for it, or if you want to do anything, and you have to have the mindset of, it gotta work for me, or it gotta work. That's it. And that's just period. That's the mindset that you have to have. That's the mindset that you have to keep. That's with anything. It's not even nails. So it gotta work for you, or it gotta work for you. It's not no ifs, ands, or buts. It's gonna work for you. As long as you want it to work for you. Stay dedicated, y'all. And focus. Like, don't give up. Start. As soon as you get it, even if you flooded the cuticles practicing, keep going. Like, keep practicing. It took me like a month or two to learn how to do marble nails. I could not do marble nails. Put your mental blinkers on. If this is something that you want to do, then you have to get up and do it. You know, get up every day, watch nail videos. Even if you aren't accomplishing something, like in doing sets, it's okay. You don't have to watch videos, because you're still feeding your brain knowledge. You know, you're still educating yourself. So at least you'll still have it in your head. That way when you get the stuff, you can apply it on that mannequin hand, on yourself, on your aunt, cousin, whoever it is that you're practicing on. I already said watch YouTube videos, a lot of nail videos, all the way down to shaping, like the 101s, how to have a clean area, how to shape, how to apply the acrylic, different products to buy, the difference between this monomer and that monomer, the difference between this acrylic, that acrylic. You want to start, you know, searching stuff like that. There's this lady, her YouTube channel is Get Nailed. She's amazing. She has helped me throughout my whole nail journey too. She's the reason I have, you know, some of these products that I do have now. Sydney Alexis, J Capri, Kiara Sky, Tiffany Sim, Exclusive Nails, and Nail House, HAUSC though. She has a lot of amazing videos too. And you can grab a lot of ideas from there, from all of these people. You can gain really a lot. You need to read the reviews. I cannot stress this enough, y'all. Like, I see so many people who just get on Amazon and they just buy. And then when you get your products, you be like, what? But you would have known if you would have read them reviews. If you have 16 out of 20, right? Go read those reviews. Go look at the products. Go look at the pictures that they upload. Look at all of that. And then those other 4 bad reviews, make sure you go look at those reviews too, because it's the reason why they posted what they posted. And not only do you want to look at what they said, but ask them like, hey, why didn't you like this product? You know, what exactly was wrong with this product? Just questions like that. And it is okay to start with cheap products. It's okay to start off with Glam and Glitz. Start off with that acrylic. You don't have to have, everything doesn't have to be expensive. You don't have to stress yourself out. Like, you know, I need $40 to get this, No, they have very cheap things. Just start off small. You don't have to go big like the first time. So I'm gonna put a beginner kit right here. I had a beginner kit and it was only $25. The price raised now, so it's like $30, $40, I think. But I started off with a beginner kit and it really helped me. And I really will order it again. Be aware of everybody else, you know, who has all these products, but don't be bothered. Remember that and write that down. Be aware, but don't be bothered. Period. Next, understand that it will take time. This is just not some overnight success thing. You know, you might not get this on the first try. You might get it on the 10th. You might get it on the 9th. You might get it on the 5th. You never know. Just keep on practicing, y'all. Stay dedicated. Stay motivated. Keep watching videos. These other videos are so inspirational. Like, y'all will learn a lot. It's time for me to have a water break. That ends and wraps up the whole video. If you have any questions, y'all, drop them below. Just go comment right now. Comment throughout the middle of the video. I respond to all questions. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching me. KJ is out.